Hello, this is Monica from AVCiT. Welcome to our booth at ISE 2024. Let's show our solution at our booth. This is our 5K KVM-Over-IP solution, and this is our 4K KVM solution. You can intuitive or the PC sources, and you can control the multiple PC. Just drop the soft to the 4K and this 1K for the OSD. Okay, you can do the layout. You can do the different layout for the monitor, and this is our 4K. You can do the floating OSD. This is the floating. Okay, floating. You can unfold the OSD, and you can do the video control by the different control tablet, iPad, and window pad. You can intuitive to control all the video words and multiple video words. Come here.